In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off automatic replies in Outlook. Turning on automatic replies is one of the best ways to give feedback whenever you are away. However, if you no longer need this feature, you can also go ahead and disable it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Outlook account. And as you can see, I'm logged in. Then go to settings here. And from settings, go to account, enter email account. You can see we have this option, automatic replies. If you click on automatic replies, now you can see the current status, it is turned off. You're told here, use automatic replies to let others know you are on vacation or aren't available to respond to email. You can set your replies to start and end at a specific time. Otherwise, they will continue until you turn them off. So to turn it on, just toggle this turn on automatic reply, and you can now give a custom message that should be sent to them here and then save. However, if it was already turned on and you wanted to disable it, then just click on it to toggle it off. So that's how you can turn on or off automatic replies in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.